Hey, it's Runes here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up and use your MetaMask wallet. Let's get started. MetaMask is a browser extension and smartphone app that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. On MetaMask, you can send and receive coins from your cryptocurrency wallet and use any of the vast decentralized app built on the Ethereum blockchain. First of all, you're gonna download the MetaMask. You click download now. Okay, it's supported by the browsers Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. It's not supported by the Safari browser for now. So you install MetaMask for Chrome. So it's very simple. All you have to do is log in now and get started. I log in into MetaMask. I already have a seed phrase. Import your existing wallet using a 12-word seed phrase. Or if you have, I already have an account private key, you can import your existing wallet using a account private key. So if you have already an account, you can click this. If you want to create a new wallet, you can get started here and put I agree. So here you can enter your 12 words separated by single spaces. Here is your recovery phrase. You can log in. Yeah, so there you go. You click here on the top right corner. You have a MetaMask. Welcome back. And now you can access from here once you have signed in. So now you can edit your MetaMask wallet here. We go to the settings. You can change the currency, conversion, USD, pay, whatever you choose from those. There's a lot of options. Primary currency is in Ethereum or fiat. Current language, you can fix here, put the language you want. Use blockades, okay. You can go to the advanced. State logs, download state logs, sync with mobile. This one we'll get back to it later actually. Contacts, here you can build your contact lists. Security and privacy, you can edit your phrase, reveal your secret recovery phrase, show incoming transaction, use phishing detection, participate in MetaMetrics. Also you can go to the alerts. Browsing a website with an unconnected account selected. So you can play around and check all the settings here. That was the easiest and simplest way to create your MetaMask wallet. I hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And catch you in the second video.